Who has the final say when safety is on the line? A car repair can look perfect, but only the road reveals the truth. Since 1953, Celette has built the standard. Jig systems eliminated guesswork. Tight tolerances respect OEM specifications. This is our DNA in the structural repairs industry. From passenger vehicles to commercial trucks and SUVs, we provide a complete ecosystem for collision repair. Holding devices, pulling units, state-of-the-art measuring systems, and our signature line of dedicated jigs. From our main production and R&D center in Thailand to our offices in France, USA, India, and China, we are building on decades of expertise to serve body shops all around the world. But we're not stopping there. Continuously pushing innovation in processes, materials, and technology, such as our newest MZX composite jigs, 80% lighter and just as strong as steel, printed on demand and available for any vehicle. Or with Chameleon, the first software-driven universal jig system, allowing a custom fit for each unique damage scenario. We even deployed similar solutions for third-party benches, alleviating data shortages for the entire industry. All powered by our WebTools AI platform, one of the most complete vehicle databases in the industry. With data coming straight from the main manufacturers, we can ensure the strictest tolerances on the market, a standard of precision certified by more than 80 OEMs. At Celette, we do not compromise on tolerances, because even a slight misalignment in an ADAS sensor can mean the difference between a safe driving assistant and a collision at highway speed. When safety is on the line, you have to do it right. The first time.